At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a consumer packaged goods (CPG) company can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the consumer needs, preferences, and trends in the CPG industry. Identify gaps in the market where your product could fulfill a need or offer something unique. 2. Product development. Develop a unique and high-quality product that addresses the identified market needs or gaps. This involves recipe formulation, packaging design, and product testing to ensure it meets quality standards. 3. Business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your company's vision, mission, target market, marketing strategy, distribution channels, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help attract investors or secure loans if needed. 4. Legal structure and registration. Choose a suitable legal structure for your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Register your business with the appropriate government authorities and obtain any necessary permits or licenses to operate legally. 5. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target market. This includes creating a memorable brand name, logo, and packaging design. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your product through various channels such as social media, influencer partnerships, advertising, and trade shows. 6. Manufacturing and supply chain. Find reliable suppliers for your raw materials and packaging materials. Set up manufacturing processes either in-house or through contract manufacturers. Ensure that your supply chain is efficient and can scale as your business grows. 7. Distribution and sales. Decide on the distribution channels through which you will sell your products, whether it's through retailers, e-commerce platforms, wholesalers, or direct-to-consumer channels. Develop partnerships with distributors or retailers to get your products into stores or online marketplaces. 8. Quality control and compliance. Implement strict quality control measures to ensure that your products meet safety and regulatory standards. Stay informed about relevant regulations in the CPG industry, such as labeling requirements and food safety standards. 9. Financial management. Manage your finances effectively by keeping track of expenses, sales, and cash flow. Set pricing strategies that allow you to cover your costs and achieve profitability. Consider seeking advice from financial professionals or accountants to ensure financial stability. 10. Feedback and iteration. Continuously gather feedback from customers and stakeholders to improve your products and operations. Be willing to adapt and iterate based on market trends and changing consumer preferences. Starting a CPG company requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.